What's up, guys? My name is Emily Kachi and welcome to your first very video on HTML5. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you, and this tutorial series, we are going to go through HTML. And what we are going to be doing, I'm going to take you through HTML, teaching you guys all the tricks and all the tips you guys and information you need in creating an awesome website. Some of you will be wondering, what is HTML5? Oh, HTML5 is basically a way you can create awesome, sweet, epic websites, and well, that's what you got. And if you're new to HTML or website development or web development, anyhow you want to call it, I recommend that you strictly follow these videos from the beginning for beginners to the end. Please don't miss anyone to avoid making mistakes in websites you're going to make. Okay, in making websites or the website development, you need some tools. You need a text editor. Text editors. There are types of text editors. We have Notepad examples. Notepad is a text editor that I was using before, but now we are improving in this age, so we need a better off text editor. See, Notepad can be a little bit stressful than others. Notepad, you have Notepad plus plus. It's like an advanced oh sorry, that's a mistake, an advanced Notepad. So it's better off using that Notepad than using this one. You can try, or it's better off, I prefer using Visual Studio Code. It's less stressful than Notepad. So you need on that a browser. You need to have a good browser like Google Chrome. Because why I recommend Google Chrome is always up to date on HTML. So in case of any improvements in HTML, Google Chrome will improve itself than other browsers like Opera, Mozilla Firefox. Because I recommend, if you're using Mozilla Firefox or Opera, I recommend that you install Google Chrome. And if you need a text editor, I still recommend that you should go to Google and just type in Visual Studio Code to download. It's for free. Okay, so did I really say it's for free? Okay, yes, it's for free. Now, to continue on this, I hope you guys are, after doing this, I hope you guys will be ready for my next tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.